Congratulations on downloading your free do-it-yourself credit repair kit. While it's still available, because I'm not doing too many of these, I guarantee you. All of my 15 years of knowledge and experience is in this kit, and you're going to learn how to use it. I've prepared a special training just for you. This is just getting the kit is one thing. Getting the keys to the car is one thing, but learning how to drive the car is another. So I've prepared a special training. Click the link below to register for the training, which is it's not too long, but it's going to go through all details of your specific situation, how to handle bankruptcies, repossessions, late payments, collections, charge-offs, how exactly to handle the dispute letters, the debt validation letters, what needs to happen, and the different steps and how you need to handle the different things. So click the link below to register for the free training on how to use your do-it-yourself kit. And because I want you to do it right. Okay, so click the link below. I'll see you on the other side. I'm going to teach you how to do this thing.